welcome back to Vlogtober day
26.
Day 26. We just have a few days left. If you guys have missed days 1 through 25, I've created a Vlogtober 2025 playlist and I will link it above and below. You can catch up on all of the unboxing fun. And if you like countdowns, unboxing videos, this is our 4th year of doing Vlogtober and I've linked all the Vlogtober playlists below, so if you just want to go crazy and have some snacks and really get into spooky season, you can binge them all. Okay, so we have one gift today. It is for Juliet. Tear it up. Oh, are those pants? What is that?
Holy crap, it's like a whole onesie.
What?
Oh, I'm putting this on tonight.
You could totally wear that to that fun nighttime event we're going to. Because I bet it glows in the dark.
Oh my god, yes!
Oh my gosh.
I don't know if I can even hold this up all the way.
Here, let me try. Okay, so she got a onesie and oh my, it feels like butter.
I haven't worn a onesie in years.
This is from Nordstrom's. It's a small, we could share these. Just kidding, I won't do that.
She's not kidding.
Anyways.
Share.
Oh my gosh, and it has a hood.
Oh, I'm putting this on tonight.
This is so cute. So it's skeleton and yeah, I mean, it glows in the dark. It zips in the front. It has a cute little hood. Oh my gosh, this is just the cutest thing ever. And then here are the legs.
Guys.
I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Anyways, it's adorable. Maybe I'll take a picture of it and insert it so you can see the whole thing. But this is really cute and it feels very comfortable. Like so stretchy.
I'm gonna show up in school in this.
I think it's also, it looks a little oversized. So you could, like, let's say you're a medium. You could probably get away with getting a small. It looks like it's a little baggy, but that's nice because everybody loves baggy PJs.
We love baggy.
Yeah, that's definitely Juliet's thing. She likes relaxed clothing, right? Yeah. This is awesome. So fun. Okay, that was a great day 26. We will see you guys tomorrow for day 27. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.